And last but not least, the 1930 Ford Model A Sport Coupe, Elkpoint Green and Kewanee Green over brown.
All right.
LeBaron Bonney interior, 201 cubic inch inline 4, which will basically run forever. It's got the correct colors and well restored. This is a nice car.
Yeah, I can't remember. I probably wrote it in the description what Kewanee Green is.
Right.
Because I didn't know what it was. I'm like, where do they get these names?
Yeah, the names were. I love the color names. That's why I always talk about them in here. They were just a lot of fun to talk about, and they had some interesting colors. And sometimes, cars would be tricolored interiors and two tones on the exterior, which you don't hardly see anymore. I was driving by a car lot the other day, and I looked over, and it was a sea of gray and black and white and just nondescript. And there was one like a neon green, neon maybe. I don't know if it was a neon, but it was something little and small and bright green, and it stood out like a sore thumb. And maybe not in a bad way, I mean, people have become a little bit, jaded when it comes to.
There's the current Genesis ad out now for the GV, which is the 70 and 80, which are their SUVs. And they have some two-tone interiors that are pretty striking.
Nice. I'm glad to see that.